And in this corner, we have the undisputed, the undefeated welterweight champion of the world, the one and only, the baddest man on the planet, the undefeatable Damian McLeod. Oh yes, I'm back, motherfuckers, I'm back. Ooh, ready to wreck some shop up in this motherfucker. Let's go. Alright, so this video here is going to be on no other than Seid and the brother of Chestbrah. It's going to be a real quick video. I just want to show you guys a little bit of the shenanigans that went on not too long ago, but kind of long ago. But once upon a time, it was a couple of guys who was sitting by the pool. They was photoshopping pictures and shit. So here we have it. I've seen this picture on a lot of videos on YouTube, but I just happened to run into this shit right here. So I wanted to see it like actually on my screen. And then when I was looking at it, I said, you know what? How about I make a video and show the people what exactly in the fuck is going on in the fitness industry firsthand. So here we have it. So what did they enhance here? Clearly they blew up that light in the background. They put a little more glow because that light looks like yes, glowing. Now, but seriously, everything from the chest to the biceps, triceps, and definitely the shoulders and traps. Knowing Seid, he probably put a little facial, around his cheekbones to give his cheekbones a little bit of buffness. I know this is weird. A lot of guys are putting out how to get those jaw lines. Let me debunk that real quick. Let me sidestep over here. If you don't have one of those chiseled jaw lines to begin with, it doesn't matter what you do, doesn't matter what you chew on, doesn't matter what little apparatus you stick in your mouth, it's not gonna help it. Now, back to the video. Chestbrah over here obviously, went to the traps. He went to the traps. I got a video on Chestbrah, check that out, where he was clearly photoshopping and just did a whole airbender technique on everybody in the background. And not on one of the pictures he did, but one picture he just straight, it looked like he transparented himself and then stuck him on top of a picture where he already was and then put a drop shadow. Yeah, I know these terms because I fucks with Photoshop. You guys see the intros, right? The best intros on YouTube. The best, hands down, trust me. And a lot of the shit you see out there, I'll just say this, shh, I made those too. Yeah, I do a lot of intros for a lot of people. But anyway, yeah, clearly Chestbrah had to go Trapsbrah. We're gonna call him Trapsbrah. I can see the traps. Looked like he might have hit a little bit under the armpit, or maybe that's just shadowing because the picture does kind of jump. But Seid clearly did like a little bit of leg, a little shadowing on the legs. The guy on the left over there looks like the dude from Breaking Bad. The dude always says, bitch! He looks like him. He gives no fucks. He's not photoshopping shit. He's like, leave me out of this one, guys. But clearly, this is the fitness industry. Everything is illusions. You know what I mean? You have to be a level 10 motherfucking wizard to figure some of this shit out. But anyway, yeah, this is it, guys. Just let this flex itself. This is called GIF flexing, flex GIF, featuring Chestbrah and Seid. Look at the tags at the top. It says bodybuilding, Chestbrah, Jeff, Photoshop, version, physique, Instagram, money, LOL, money, LOL. Wow. Who the fuck did that? Money, LOL. They want that money, man. They're willing to go through any length to get that fucking paper, man. That's why some people do it, man. You don't need no motherfucking Photoshop, man. I'm telling you, all you gotta do is what I do, what the young guy Damian McLeod does. It's just these motherfucking weights and eat this food, man. You just go hard in the paint. That's all you gotta do, man. Get your sleep, get your rest. Rinse and repeat, motherfucker. Look, man, the muscle building game, I just throw this in. I'm gonna actually make another video on this and actually be on the camera. But the muscle game is very, very much like an adventure in a way. You got people taking the short route. You gotta understand, man, it takes hella reps, it takes hella sets. You know what I'm saying? To get that muscle on your body. You can get a Seid physique. You can. But it's gonna take longer than what these dudes are getting. Like, you seen the Ryan Casey video, you seen the Dylan McKenna video. These guys are blowing up size and strength in a matter of months. You can reach that size. There are people out there who are natural, who get big, who get bigger than that. It's the time that it takes them to do it. That's what everyone's tripping about. You know, the motherfucking, what's that video? What's the guy? Damn, he's a friend of them dudes, but the bench press. Can't think of his motherfucking name. I hate that. But the dude, everyone knows what I'm talking about. Bench press went up to 190. David Lade, you know. You can get up to 390. I said 190 or 390. 390. You can get there naturally, but it's gonna take some fucking time. Your diet's gonna have to be on point, and I mean on point. You gotta drop a lot of the processed shit. You gotta put your body in the optimal state, which you should be doing anyway. But I'll dig into this in another video. I don't want this to be too damn long. But yeah, this is clearly what the Photoshop game is about. I'm gonna go looking for more Photoshop pictures and stick them on this motherfucking internet so y'all can see just what the fuck is going on, man. Cause the game is cold, man. The game is cold. He should have photoshopped them damn black and yellow fucking thing. Them look like some hoochie mama booty shorts he got on. What the fuck? You got all your shit showing and shit, man. Where the board shorts at, bruh? You ain't got no motherfucking regular shorts. You ain't got a pair of them Nike basketball shorts you could have put on, dude. Like this. Sitting in a hot tub, I don't even want to go there. Y'all already know I'm finna talk some shit. Why you sitting in a hot tub with two dudes, man, with some booty shorts on and shit? Y'all, come on, man. What part of the game is that? You know what I'm saying? Motherfucker. But anyway, I'm gonna end the video right now. You guys don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And yeah, I'm probably gonna be doing, like I said in the last video, I'm gonna actually make a separate video about it. I'm gonna probably do a Chipotle giveaway at 2K subs. I see a lot of people doing it, man, so I'm like, you know what, fuck it. You know, it's gonna be cool. You know, I like Chipotle. You know, just make sure you DOS the E. coli. You know, don't bite the E. coli. You know, get fucked up out here, man. You know, be on the toilet boo-booing, man. You gonna be shitting and shit. You in the gym making gains. You gonna be on the toilet, bruh. All fucked up, man. But yeah, I'm gonna do a Chipotle gift card giveaway. A nice sizable one, you know, not some old $5 meal shit. It'd be some cool amount, a couple bucks on there. You can get a few good meals out the game and shit, fuel your gains. I recommend you get the burrito double steak. Let them put the steak on first, and then you say, I want one more scoop though. Hold on, let me get one more scoop. You know what I'm saying? That way you really get 2 scoops, double meat, whatever the fuck, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video right here, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe. I'm subliminally in your mind right now. Subscribe to the channel now. And with all that said, get to the gym, do work, and muscle up.
My adversaries cry like hoes, fully eradicate my foes. My lyrics explode on contact. Came in you hoes, who else but mama's only son? But the phony niggas in the world say my name, watch bitches come.